Good morning. It's my birthday today. I am 28 and oh my gosh, I am so much closer to 30. Where has the time gone? But that's okay. 30 isn't even bad. I'm gonna be 30, flirty, and thriving in like 2 more years. Today's just started out really nicely already. Nick was a sweetheart and I ran out of Nespresso pods. So he went to Starbucks and he got me a caramel macchiato before, like, he got up like early and took the dogs out and then got me a coffee and brought it back to me. And a birthday cake pop before he had to go to work. And that just made my morning. I'm deciding that I'm gonna be productive today. And before I start work here in like an hour and a half, I'm gonna go for a run and then shower up and make myself look as cute as possible for today, even though I'm gonna be home and no one's gonna see me. It's gonna be a nice weekend. It's gonna be a really nice weekend. And I'm gonna take you along with me. We're at Yard House. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really loud in here.
It's a little loud.
This is a little loud. But we're here to get some beers and chicken nachos and just hang out for a bit before our movie starts because Nick got us tickets to go watch Spider-Man.
Spider Boy. He's strong and sticky.
Oh my gosh, it's so freaking packed in here. There's so many people, and it's normally busy, but not. We've never had to wait before. It's wild. It's a wild time. And I'm excited to watch Spider-Man and to have some brews. Hello, love.
Hello, lovely.
Say a little louder for the people in the back. Hello, lovely.
Our drinks.
Ah, yay!
Thank you. It comes in a 23. This one always tastes weird. I swear it tastes different every single time I get it.
I got the mango cart, but it doesn't taste like mango.
Okay, so I got yours. I was gonna say, this tastes different every fucking time I get it. Taste that and tell me it don't taste like a mango.
Oh shit.
I thought to myself, oh, that kind of tastes like mango. And then I thought, nah, I said that last time and I was wrong.
Listen.
Yeah, see, this is better.
Sorry, I haven't had like actual...
Here?
Yeah, I forgot how good it tastes.
Pretty bomb, huh?
Yeah.
Fucking ram.
So Nick posted these pictures of me on the internet wishing me a happy birthday. I gotta show you the ones that he picked. He got some really good ones of me looking beautiful, but the first couple ones that he chose of me, I'm doing some fuckery. Alright, beautiful, right? Beautiful. Like, okay, candid. What? And then we got some cute ones. I am pretty adorable.
Triple top.
Woo, baby. Oh yeah.
Dreaming in the dark, we're nothing more than dust.
Hello.
Denver is beautiful.
We are walking back to the car.
I'm gonna go find something to grab on.
Oh yeah, the event was super cool. I really liked it.
It honestly was kind of cool. I mean, it was a little weird, but it was cool.
For sure. It was a, what was it called?
NFT launch.
So basically, from what I understand, is that it works the same as like cryptocurrency, but they're images of art that you purchase, and it's supposed to hold, you know, value to it. They had an open bar, so that was like the best part. And honestly,
$10 to get in, and then it's unlimited drinks.
oh my gosh, I got as many as I could fit in my belly without
we drank 4 beers
without being
in like an hour and a half,
feeling like I was gonna throw up. But now like Nick said, we're gonna go find some grubbins because the girl's hungry.
Not sure what, but something.
It's a my
It's
wristband.
only 10:30.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's not that bad.
I mean, it's late, but it's not that bad.
And
Car's right there.
it was a good time. I very much enjoyed it. And
These are weird little houses. See that?
See? Oh yeah, they're like townhouses.
Yeah, they're townhomes. It's weird.
It's so cold. It's so cold out here. I'm so cold. I got this ice box where my heart used to be. Oh wow. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. We're going on a little night walk with our puppies. We are downtown and there are Christmas lights everywhere. It's beautiful.
I am just a fool, I keep on chasing after nothing great. You were just